Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I do my super quick, easy, slick and sleek curly hairstyle using a hair piece or like a weave piece extension type thing. Okay, so first you're gonna have to have your hair slicked down. I'm gonna make a video on how I slick my hair down for this look and for other looks similar to this, but in this video my hair is already in this ponytail because I've been wearing my hair like that for the past week. This is on old hair, so I'm just gonna put it on a little bun, and you should try to get your bun to like not too small of a bun, but a good enough like length so that the cap of the extension will fit around your bun and it'll hold into place. So from there you're going to get the clips inside of the ponytail thing and you're going to place them into the most secure spot between your hair and the bun. So for me that's like right above the bun and on the other side of that. So from there you're going to pull the like string as tight as possible to secure it. And then from there you're just going to wrap it around. After you wrapped it around, you can wrap it around more than once, but I only do it once because my piece is pretty big. And I honestly did my bun a little bit too big, but that's okay. So after you wrap it around, you're going to secure that with a bobby pin. And then from there you can also get a piece of the weave and wrap that around too to make it look more natural. But for this video's sake I didn't do that, but when I do wear it out I wrap the hair piece around the piece showing so that it doesn't show, so it'll blend better. So now you're done. You have this super cute look. You can wear this anywhere. I actually wore this to my homecoming. It's very cute, easy, and very cheap. I'm pretty sure this hair piece didn't cost me more than $20 at your local beauty store, and it's just so easy to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate if you guys gave this video a thumbs up, and also if you guys subscribe to my channels and turn on my post notifications. That means so much to me, and yeah, see you next week.